Hello, I'm really excited to bring you the new Divesoft Solo Analyzer. When you get your hands on the package, you open it, you can see the Solo. It has an injection molded plastic body. It has a more streamlined design, making it more lightweight and more affordable as well. And it even has a screen protector. It features a USB-C charging port along with our standard helium sensor, which is an acoustic helium sensor, and a electronic oxygen sensor. In the package, you'll get the Solo Analyzer, a textile wrap USB-C charging cable, a flow limiter, and a manual. This all comes in a hard textile case to protect your analyzer when you're traveling.
Thank you for your attention, and if you have any further questions, please consult the user manual or send us a question through email or through Facebook.